You're watching Dave's Valley Auto Clinic's monthly car tips video. Thanks.
You put the key in your car's ignition, you turn it, and then nothing. Your car won't start. What's wrong? The reasons for a car not starting are more numerous than you might think. Let's take a look at the possibilities. The first thought everyone might have is that you have a low or dead battery. If upon it failing to start you notice that you left your headlights or a dome light on, a dead battery would be a good guess. If you get a clicking sound while trying to start, this usually indicates battery problems. Related problems might include poor maintenance that has led to corrosion on the battery cables and connectors. If your car is silent when turning the ignition, check the cables and connectors. If it cranks but won't turn over, you might have a problem with fuel getting to the spark plugs. The fuel pump or a clogged fuel line might be your problem. If it starts but quickly dies and is a fuel injection engine, you need to see us, your automotive professionals. A broken starter, a dead alternator, a clogged exhaust or catalytic converter are all reasons for your car not starting. It could also be a $150 fuse that is easily replaced by just about anybody. If it is, you probably still need to tow your vehicle to your automotive professionals to test the other systems before coming to this inexpensive solution. Unfortunately, by that time, it's probably no longer inexpensive.
If you're like most people, your car is something you simply can't function without. So when it stops working as it should, you need a dependable auto repair shop to get to the bottom of the problem as quickly as possible. In Auburn, you can trust us at Dave's Valley Auto Clinic to get the job done right at a fair price and on time. Trust, fairness, and dependability. That's why Dave's Valley Auto Clinic are the mechanics you can trust. Come see us.